everybody, you clicked on this video because you want to learn how to make insane Minecraft pixel art and you want to make it easy. Well, you came to the right place, so I'm not going to stall any longer or say subscribe. First, you're going to need to go to this website. I'll link it in the top of the description for you. So just simply go to editor. Now, because this is so epic, you can pick any picture you like. I'm assuming you want to make this as accurate as possible, so select all blocks. Now leave the checkmark as is and select the version you want. Sadly, the latest version is only 1.12, so make sure your Minecraft world settings are set accordingly. Now, this is a very important step. You have to make sure that your pixel art won't go outside of the world border. The Minecraft height limit is 256 blocks, so you will most likely have to resize your image. I would recommend 250 blocks for a super flat world, but for a normal survival world 175 will have to do. Here's the kicker. Now you have your image as a load of text. Before you paste it into command blocks in your world, you have to make sure you are facing the correct direction. By pressing F3, you can open up the debug screen. Your in-game direction is here. Once you have determined your in-game direction, you will need to build the summoner. This will allow you to actually generate the image. You will need an activator rail, a redstone block, a command block, and a button. If you don't know how to get a command block, you can type /give@command_block in chat to receive one. Make sure cheats are enabled in your world settings. Now comes the exciting part. Copy the command text to clipboard and paste it inside the command block. Press the button. Now repeat this step for all pages of the website's command text. Once all pages have been completed, you can step back and admire your masterpiece. Now that you've automatically tripled your clout, you can show all your friends and brag about how artistically creative you are. Well, bye.